I was about to join your server if you were on Discord and pull out the walkie-talkie. Like, Blue Leaf, you there?
I was about to do the same thing because I didn't think you could hear me.
Damn, look at this base.
Thanks. Come look at the bottom.
You ain't got some showers up and shit, Blue. What the? Who are you, little architect, Blue?
Look at the bottom. Well, either
Oh,
way,
hell no. What the fuck?
there's resources for days. You ready to go fight if you want to. I'm just saying we can get everything. Cause I got
What the
nades.
fuck?
Only thing I don't got is bullets like that, but I got a katana. I don't even use my gun like that no more.
Look, you
Well,
got a
come
drying
look, come
rack up
outside.
here and
Well,
shit.
you can watch from the top. I'm about to fight these guys. Don't even worry about fighting. I'm gonna show you what the katana be like. I'm out of armor though. Well, he dies anyway.
Damn, damn.
And we can go get some of
he
my stuff.
said go to supplies.
Upstairs, there's stuff. Everywhere, there's stuff.
And you go look, damn, man, you got like a three little fucking story base up in here. Oh yeah.
The dry rack is at the top, and one of the beds is at the top. Safe spot. You see my screen?
There we go. Yeah, now I do.
Hold on. Let's do Once you cut off one of their arms, they done pretty much. You don't have to do anything. They die. Did you see the top of the base though? It's hella enemies coming. Just to die. Giving me resources. Give me a
So
stick.
just to die.
You cut one of them arms. Look at this shit.
It's fucking beast mode, dude.
That's what I'm saying. Dude talking about it's too hard. No, that's the point of this shit. That's what make it fun. I love the base building part too, but I feel more accomplished when I fucking just take everybody out and take all this shit.
Yeah, you right, shit. Alright, cool, that's all I need.
Alright, I'm about to come get
We
some
good.
armor. I'm straight. I didn't make any tech armor, but you can make it if you want. Look at my dude. Did you go to the third floor or the ceiling?
Not yet. Let me see. Oh, I seen like the
There's arms right
drying
there if you
rack and
needed it.
shit.
Dry, yeah. I got more arms. If you want any, here you go.
He said, you want some more arms?
Can't even drop it.
Look at this guy chilling right here. What's up, bitch? Get out of relief.
Let me get some more
Oh,
loot
there's a
real
little
quick.
deer here, dude.
The animals be in here because I don't touch them. But if you start killing them, they won't stay. I don't kill none of the animals. If I catch like a fish or something or a squirrel, it's with traps. I don't touch them personally. Or I let Virginia just do it.
Oh yeah, look at them. They're all here, huh?
hmm they sleep here, they do everything, they feel safe.
Damn, that's crazy.
That's just pretty fire, bro. Like, when I found that out, I didn't find it on YouTube. I was just like, why they live here now? And the more I got nicer to them, like, I ain't even kill them in the first place, but the more I just let them sit there and I didn't bother them, just more keep coming.
Damn, that's crazy.
Let's do this. Do you see me though? You see my dude? I think it's the one to the left. This shit's so fire, dude. What the hell? I'm way down here. Then I'll bounce back. And I'm still going. Holy shit. If we cut these trees off, could It's blocked off for me.
That's stupid. What the fuck? Oh, look, I got a pistol.
Yeah, that's the second pistol. And it comes with the rail. Did you get the rail on the ground?
Yeah, I got the rail, flashlight, attachment.
Attention.
Attachment.
Let me go get these M&Ms.
This guy.
My girl said, I'm gonna turn into M&M.
Oh, yep, look it, bro. Katana. Oh, I was putter. I thought it was a
No,
katana.
the
It's a
katana's
putter.
in there. I think you went to the, it's another room. But look,
Shit.
look to your left. Your left now. Left. Go straight. Turn around to right. Right there on the desk. No, behind you. To the left. So look, it's gonna be right there in a room like this. You saw what I showed you, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be right there where you just walk by.
Okay, but in a different room?
Yeah. I don't think you looked at the right thing, but that's what you need to look out for. Like you turn around. You know what I'm talking about?
Like this right here? Over here?
To the right. Right there in the middle. Yeah. That little set right there. It's gonna be placed up, I think.
Let's see here. Because there's this room and then...
It should be like a few rooms. Like 4 rooms, I think.
Yeah, because this is where I found the pistol right here in this room.
She better keep going.
This is where I found that shit. So I go up or down? Up. I guess down, huh?
Wherever you can go, it's only one way to go.
Down this way. Oh, nowhere. Okay. So we go this way. This is another room.
Katana. Nope.
Any motherfuckers up in here? Nice. Double shotgun one. Nice call. No zombies, huh? Or just fucking mutants or anything?
It's gonna be, yeah, some weird looking shit.
Oh, look. You're safe. From when you got in here. Yep. Katana time, baby.
That's why I saved right there.
Another suit. Energy drink. That's it. Blue's like, let me save. Ooh, look at this bad boy.
Oh yeah. It's time. You see on my screen how the door is blocked?
Yeah, it's fucking stupid. But yeah, it's probably like you said, because you probably already did it. Maybe if like we're both here at the same time, you know? But we both didn't do it. I don't know.
It's a main story mission though, so I think I won't be able to do it since I already did it.
Guest key card. Where's the katana at? Over here?
To the left. Nope. It's to the right by the other, like the action shit.
Oh, I see. Okay, there we go. Oh shit. The fuck? Shit's creepy, bro. Like they could really like done some jump scares up in this bitch with these cave systems.
It might have scared you too much though.
For real. Oh, that's it? We just leave? Damn. So where's this at? Okay then, that's definitely this one right here. Shit. And you needed a key card to open that door up, don't you though?
The door where I was at?
Yeah, the bottom.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's what I'm missing on my server. I gotta find that key card.
Just cause
Where
DC
you at?
don't mean you ain't about to get that work.
Oh yeah.
How far am I?
Look at this.
Oh,
I'm about to test this bitch out on this guy. Ready? Check it out, Blue. Oh, bitch.
cut his ass, so he's already dead. It's just crazy.
Damn, bro.
Shit, no
No remorse. Are you trying to crawl away, little guy? Nah, not today, bitch. Damn, look at them. They actually have armor on.
You see
They're
that?
learning. Damn. Damn.
Katana.
Dude, this guy got sliced up for both of us.
Right? Another whole shit. See that big dude? He dies.
He dies tonight.
Tonight.
Oh, bitch.
He dead though.
Look at him. Look at him. Damn, bro. Ready?
Pain.
We're about to get him at the same time. Ready?
Oh,
Oh, bitch.
oh, this is fucked up. Give me that skin pouch.
Dude, that was...
This is fucked up.
Dude, that was... Can you imagine that dude in shit real life, bro?
Right. That was... Sheesh.
We were just taking turns fucking poking him, bro.
Right now he ain't got no limbs at all. Oh, this is terrible. Look at his mouth wide open, screaming. Ah, they should have had that, like, those sound effects. That was fucked up.
Fucking Blue, bro, just... This is fucked up. This is fucked up. But you don't stop doing it. You keep on fucking stabbing him.
Oh.